Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can reset your network settings on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So resetting your network settings can be incredibly useful if you're facing any issues connecting to a Bluetooth device or to your mobile network or even to your Wi-Fi. So to do that, begin by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, scroll and select General Management. From here, you should see the option Reset. Tap on it. Then scroll through your reset settings until you see two options labeled Reset Mobile Network Settings and Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. So to reset any of those options, all you need to do is to tap on them, tap on Reset Settings, and then confirm the reset. So once your settings have been reset, you can now retry connecting to either your mobile network, to your Bluetooth device, or to your Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.